What's up, everybody? I'm here. Welcome back, and today I'm going to be reviewing a budget Speedcube I got off of Amazon for just $8, and I will also be comparing it to a Rubix brand right here. Rubix brand Rubix Cube. So I'll be reviewing the Warrior, the QuYi, I think is how you pronounce it, Cube Warrior W. So here's the packaging. I got stickerless because that's how I go. And yeah. So let's open this up. Got some instructions. Pretty sure on just how to solve a cube. Here it is. Out of the box, it does feel very, very nice. Very loose. And yeah, okay, it does feel very good. Let's check corner cutting. Probably past that 45-degree mark. Maybe a little less than that. This is out of the box, so I can adjust it, you know. Yeah, it definitely needs to be adjusted. Got a screwdriver right here. But yeah. So Rubik's Cube. So, corner cutting seems fine. I do need to adjust it. And you can adjust it right here with the caps. But, whoops. But you don't really need it. I'm not going to do that right now. But yeah, I really do like the color scheme on this. I prefer stickerless cubes. But, yeah. Yeah, this is a little tight. I definitely need to adjust this. But, yeah. Right here we got Rubik's brand. Very stiff. Corner cutting. This is what this cube can do. But right here, this one can do about, not even right there. So yeah, this one is $11. This one's only about $5. And for for less than half the price, it's definitely very, very good performance-wise. We're just gonna do a solve. Okay. Yeah, so very smooth. I really like performance-wise. Performance is really good. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. One of the best budget cubes. I'd say another one that MF3RS is really good. So is the Yushin Little Magic, but I heard this one is the best. The QuYi Warrior W. It was the best. Yeah, this one's definitely very loud, which I do not like loud cubes. It's very, very stiff. You can see the tensions. Cannot pull them apart. Cannot really pull them apart. But yeah. So definitely, this is less than half the price than a Rubik's brand. So you should definitely get a Rubik's, don't get a Rubik's brand. You should definitely get this over a Rubik's brand. Corner cutting, not even right there. A little less than that. yeah. And then this one, reverse quarter cutting. Whoops. But yeah, definitely one of the best budget cubes I have ever seen. So yeah, picked this up on Amazon, Cubicle, Speedcube.com for $5. For $5 you can't really go wrong. For the specs, this is 56 millimeters. 56 millimeters, 3x3 stickless, you know. It weighs about like 78 grams, I think. Something like that. Really light, really fast. Really great cube out of the box. Now again, I do need to adjust it, but besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.